Ayan, si Mr. B. Ayan. Ayan, si Mr. B. Ayan, Janet at saka yung hubby niya. There's Naomi. There's Pacific. Wala na si Miss Giselle. No. I need hot water. Kasi yung throat ko. Hi, long time no see. And here's Ricardo, one of the producers.
Hello. Yeah.
How are you? Hi.
I'm fine. I'm good. Nice meeting you.
I saw your video with the bartender.
Oh,
and
thank you
the
so
waiter.
much. Thank
Funny.
you.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Guys.
Yes.
So hindi na server dito si Mitch. Ano na siya? Ha? Para yatang na-promote na siya. So sabi nila is Madam Janet. Sino? Oo nga. Parang na-promote na si ano, no? Si Mitch.
Oo.
Oo. Ay, yung ano niya. Hindi makapagsalita masyado. Ah. Hi, Miss Ferlin. Kumusta? Nag-live ko. Nakakuha ko. Hi. Hi, Mosha. Naka-live ako.
Hello.
May ano siya, may wifi.
Dito?
Oo.
Oh, yeah.
Si Madam Janet.
Connected.
Connected ko sa wifi mo. Ay, kung may wifi ka, di yung wifi mo na lang.
Yeah.
Huwag mo nang kunin yung para sa app.
Lagyan mo na.
And here's our producers. There's Ricardo and Erwin. Hi. There's Alma and Mark. And there's Joe and his wife, Attorney Lisa, Mr. B, and our friend.
Chili oil. Yes.
Chili oil. Oh,
That's popular spices.
I think this is my plate. I think this is my plate.
I'll put the bottom later.
No, the pickled onion, they're good.
Your allergy? Oh, yeah.
This one. Is this the pickled onion? And it's
It
really
is the bread we make every day. These things we make every day.
it's all fresh.
Yes.
And you used to work here.
I still work here. I'm the general manager. But we're on the way back. On the way out.
Oh, so you're done with work.
Yeah. I work until 6 o'clock.
From what time?
10.
Not bad.
No, it's not bad.
So I don't even... Oh, she's only getting the drinks? Or the food? No, right now. She's only getting the drinks,
You're
right?
not gonna be hungry here anyway.
I know. No, I celebrated my 50th year.
Ah, okay. Big up marriage here.
Oh.
Is it?
Wow.
It was the only place where there's no curfew, because we can party till tomorrow. Plenty parking space and open kitchen.
Wow.
But she was making the food for the buffet on the wedding day.
So it's all Filipino menu.
Oh,
Everything.
so we had steak and everything.
So how many days have you been cooking? How many days you're cooking for your... Oh.
That's for 8 kilos of tofu.
Hi. Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine. Yeah, I just want to try that bang bang swing. Oh,
Okay.
do you have cake?
Anything to drink. If you want to have a cocktail, it's on the last page of the menu.
Do you have cake?
No, unfortunately, no frozen.
Do you have hot
drinks.
tea? Yeah, I want hot tea with lemon because my throat
Yeah,
is...
I saw him earlier.
I think I like
Hi, Miss Gail.
I like beer.
Hi, Miss
We
Haylin.
have the local Palacio. We have
Hi, at... Oh.
we have Belgium.
Hi, my
We have
Melka.
fruity beer.
Hi, Shane from
Ate,
Zamboanga.
anong masarap
Hi,
na beer?
Lane.
Gusto mo ng beer? Like,
Sierra.
they have Modelo or something?
Hi,
Heineken.
Arlene.
Heineken. Oh.
It's something
What would you recommend for a beer? He's
Would you
asking.
like something like a lager, a light beer, or
What kind?
easy to drink, or a darker
I
beer?
like light beer. I like beer. Yeah, I like one.
Like a Bitburger or something? Do you know Bitburger? It's a German Pilsner.
Pilsen?
Pilsner.
Hi, Miss Eleanor.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, I want to try that.
Yeah, our producer is really nice.
Otherwise, ask him if he
ayan.
can come out for the beer. He knows.
Yeah.
Sa imuhang
Susie,
Oh, no.
if he has something better than Bitburger to know, Jack, please.
Okay. Kuya JR, tulungan mo nga ako. Ano ba masarap ditong inumin? Like sabi ko gusto ko mag-inom ng beer. Yung masarap, yung light lang. Yeah, ano?
Mas wasabi.
Oh yeah. After that, good for the
Hoy, ang mas puti.
Kasi may creamy ginger black.
Okay.
I asked and then mayo. They recommend the feedback.
Good morning. Again, hi Gina. Hi Eva. Hi Mo. Hi Maricel.
And this one, how we cook this one? Grilled?
Yes, this, sabi ko,
It's healthier.
sabi ko gusto ko yes,
Yeah, he's the general manager here, so he knows the food.
Whereas we like the steamed version of the
Yeah.
fish. The light versions.
Ano na try mo yung
But sitting
Wow.
once they're over, it's not bad.
Okay lang.
Surprise na namin.
You don't have to
Magpapagalaw ka ba?
There's no diet.
Oh, okay.
No diet.
Nag ano, sinabi niyo na rin kung ano daw ito try.
Hi CA.
Oh, yes.
Hi Miss Virgie. Miss you.
Wow.
Ayan, si Mr. B. Morning everyone. Dito kami sa Maze.
Ito, pauwi na bukas. Yeah.
Ayan, pauwi na bukas Mr. M.
Yeah.
What are you
Oh
getting?
yeah, thank you.
Hindi ko pa alam.
If I can help, I would like a big bucket.
So,
Kasi, kanina lang po dako.
sana mabuhay natin.
Butter with?
Basically, butter with
Spices.
What are the spices? Is it spicy or not
No,
really?
not spicy. Not spicy.
So we have to trust this man. He is the general manager. And earlier, Mr. B went to the kitchen. Oo nga. Pero, napasaya ni Mr. B.
Oo, magipag-ano ko sa kanya, magipag-comment.
Hi, Feds. Good morning. Good evening na pala dito sa sa Aruba kasi 12 hours in difference.
It's really a unique place. I've worked like 15 years. And we're 29 years in business.
Okay.
But for
Okay.
parties, it is
Okay.
really,
Thank you, Kuya
it's a unique
JR.
place. There's nothing like it. I'm sorry? Yes, of course.
She wants to be a cook. She's a cook.
Nakatutok talaga.
Ayan, si Naomi. Si Naomi yung cook namin, private chef namin. Siya ang nagluluto sa kinakain ni Mr. B sa bahay ng producer namin na si Alma. Ayan, nandun.
Okay.
Oh. Ha?
2:30.
Ang kanila, ano lang pala, 30 minutes lang so,
PM, yeah.
There's 400 people tonight.
Kaya hapon.
There is
Nag-live ka
just
na?
keep on working.
Hindi kailangan ko mag-
No talking, keep on going.
hashtag.
And when you're done, clean up your station.
Hi, Lynn. Good evening. Ha? Lalaway ka na. Hi, Chona.
Ha?
Ooh.
Anong inano mo, Fab Squad? KK.
KK, Sam Squad. At saka si Chris. Ayan na. Tapos, ka rin, add mo yan.
Ano ba mag-member niya? Hindi ko ako makuha yun.
His face.
Lang, sa KKK Sam Squad lang.
Tapos, hashtag Chris Lawrence.
Hashtag Chris Lawrence.
And that's not really good here. That's right. Too many people.
Ito.
Oh, yung may 39, yung 59K.
Kasi,
Ano mo, i-reset mo.
They'll make it ready or
Okay.
I can get you more if you need.
Yeah. Okay. Ano?
Little addict.
alam mo yung magic mo.
Behave, Jack.
Ha?
It's a stove grind.
Inaano ko rin, live ni Mojack. Nakaland na sila sa Charlotte. Ayan, take over ni Mr. B.
Bye, guys. Kayo na lang tutukan. Now you're famous.
Ayan.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.